Alright guys, mount your camera on a tripod using portrait. You get my point. Now you can walk in with anything, either a stick or anything you want to use. Then you hit on the ground. Now after hitting on the ground, you look at it, you just stare at it for some time, understand? Then you can now do as if you want to raise something from the ground, just like what you see me do on screen. So when you are done with all this, you can now save the video to your gallery. Then head over to Capcut. On Capcut, click on new project, import the video you just recorded to Capcut, understand? So now that is how I want my video to start. This particular part, I don't want it to be included in the video, so I will just tap on the layer, click on split. Now delete the beginning of the video. You get my point? So when you delete the beginning of the video, what you would do next is immediately after hitting the rubber or the stick on the ground, understand? After hitting it, that is when you will have to bring your effect, understand? You have to bring your effect up on overlay, click on add overlay. Now bring the effect here. So what you do next is go and look for remove BG, click on it, click on chroma key. Now hover this circle to where to show green, just like what you see me do. Now increase the intensity to 100, increase the shadow to 100 also. You get my point? Then you click on OK. Now you can now bring it down to where you want the ground to open. You can decide to expand it, make it bigger, understand? Just like what you see me do on screen. You get my point? Guys, please like and share this video so YouTube will recommend it to many other people. You get my point? So that's just it, guys. I'm not feeling too well, that's why you hear my voice like this. So that's just it. So as you can see, the main video is longer than the effect. So what we'll do from here is we will just tap on this effect layer, tap on the effect layer, then we'll go and look for freeze. So let's go and look for freeze. Where is freeze? See freeze, click on freeze. So you can tap at the end of the freeze layer, drag it, just drag it to the end of the video, just like what you see me do like this, understand? You get my point? So guys, if you're a complete beginner and wish to learn about video editing and also how to be getting any effect of your choice for free, chat me on WhatsApp. My phone number is in the description of this video. You get my point? So guys, what you will do from here is you will have to bring the monster effect, understand? So you tap on overlay, add overlay, bring the monster effect right here. So now go and look for remove BG, click on it, click on chroma key, over this circle to where it shows green. Increase the intensity to 50. This particular one is 50. Then the shadow to 100. So you can tap on OK. So now what you do next is for you to bring it down. Just you can make it bigger, make it bigger. So just bring it down like what you see me do on screen. So guys, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do so you won't miss out on any of our simplified video editing tutorial. You get my point? Also like and share this video. You know we need to grow. We need to grow, bro. So that's just it, guys. So look at it here as it's working. You get my point? So you can now, you see that the effect is longer than the main video. So what I will do from here is I'll have to tap on the main character, which is me, and then I will click on split, understand? So now what I will do here is I will tap on this other side. Now click on speed, go to normal. Now reduce the speed, make it like 0.8. You get my point? So look at it here, look at the ending part of it. So you can now use your hand to adjust it. Just bring it back a little. Bring it back a little. Now tap on the first effect, the ground effect. Tap on it, drag it to the end of the video. Just make it aligned. You get my point? So that's just it, guys. These things are simple. Understand? If you really want to learn, chat me on WhatsApp. I'm going to teach you. But guys, take note, chatting me on WhatsApp is not free. I charge, though not much, very little. Understand? So you will get to know how to get these effects, how to use them, everything about video editing. You get my point? So that's just it, guys. Look at it now. Don't you like it? Don't you like it? So guys, when you are done with all this, you can now save your video to your gallery. You get my point? So now see you in our next video.